rural performance looking better than urban at this juncture. That's positive.
Absolutely, Alex. So this is the second quarter where rural performance has outpaced the urban volumes overall. Just to give you a brief about the numbers, revenue is up around 13%. EBITDA is up around 22%, and margins have improved from 31.6% to 34%. Now, this is not very normal for FMCG companies. Net profit has also been up 33%, which is why we're seeing the uptick in stock today. Well, a couple of highlights from the Q1 FY25 results. Toothpaste posted a double-digit sales growth. Volumes grew in high single digits. Similarly for toothbrush, strong double-digit sales growth, and volumes grew in high single digits. Now, in terms of EBITDA margins, they expanded over 240 basis points, and premium portfolio for Colgate is growing faster than the overall portfolio. Now, a couple of brokerages have given their targets and view on Colgate. Nuvama is positive and maintains buy and raised its target price to 3745. And they're saying that Colgate has now started to gradually benefit from the likely rural recovery, and they anticipate balanced growth in FY25 versus pricing led by FY24. Citi, however, has a sell call on Colgate with a target price of 2850. They estimate 6% volume growth for the overall company in FY25. They believe that while there is opportunity for growth in consumption, Colgate will still have to struggle with the competition around. It is also said that they estimate moderation in margin expansion going ahead in FY25, and overall they remain positive by saying that Colgate India seems to be investing in growth and consumption overall. And lastly, Jefferies is also maintained buy with a target price of 3570. So this is the overall view of brokerages and overall view of how Colgate has performed in Q1 FY25.
Right. Thanks so much for getting us those details, Mahima. Let's get our experts on board then. We've got Asta Jain, Senior Research Analyst at EM Securities, as well as Swati Hodkar, AVP Technical Research at Nirmal Bang. Thank you so much as always for taking the time, both of you. Asta, I'll come to you first on Colgate. What did you make of the numbers? We just heard what other brokerages are making of it, in fact, and also what the numbers looked like. What do you make of the results? Okay, I think you're on mute, Asta, so you might have to unmute and give us your view on Colgate. Yeah.
Apologies. Hi, good morning to both of you. Talking about Colgate, the numbers are good because 13% rise in the top line. We have seen a strong bottom line growth, and that too led by the strong volume growth. So I think because their toothpaste portfolio is really working well, and one of the key highlights in this that their whitening gel is really working strongly for the company because they have also introduced one campaign, brush at night or brush twice a day. So I think these campaigns are really working well for the company, and the result we have seen. In fact, their rural growth has outpaced the urban growth. So, and I think this is the second consecutive quarter of the strong rural growth shown by the company. So we are positive on the numbers. We continue to feel that company will going to perform strongly in the future also. And our stance on this counter is a hold as well as buy. And our initial price target is at around 3550 to 3560 levels, but that too in the long term, not in the short term or medium.